how this terrifying sound is coming from a black hole which is 250 million light years away from us, as we know that the space is almost a vacuum where we can't listen sounds. Actually, NASA converted real space data into sound by recording ripples of pressure trapped in hot gases around this supermassive black hole. What you're hearing is energy vibrating through space, converted into sound waves we can understand. It's done through sonification techniques. Recorded sound was first below the range that humans can hear, so they pitched it up so we can hear black holes finally. Space is silent, but the universe isn't.